In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Zoom. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to update your display name before and during a meeting so you always appear correctly and professionally. This is a simple but very useful feature. Maybe your name is misspelled, you want to use a preferred name, or you need to adjust it for a work meeting, class, or presentation. Whatever the reason, Zoom gives you full control over your display name. Let's go step by step. First, let's look at how to change your name before you join a meeting. When you click a Zoom meeting link or open the app to join a call, you'll usually see a join screen before entering the meeting. On this screen, there is a field that shows your current display name. Click inside that name field and simply type the name you want others to see. Once you've entered the correct name, double-check it for spelling or formatting. This is important because this is the name everyone in the meeting will see once you join. After that, just proceed to join the meeting normally. Your updated name will appear instantly to all participants. Now let's move to the second method, which is changing your name while you are already inside a meeting. If you're already in a Zoom call and realize you want to change your name, don't worry, you can fix it quickly. Look at the bottom of your Zoom window and click on the Participants button. This will open a side panel showing everyone in the meeting, including yourself. Find your name in the list. Once you locate it, hover over it or tap it if you are using a mobile device or a smaller screen. You should see a 3 dots icon or a More option next to your name. Click on it, then select Rename. A small pop-up box will appear where you can type your new display name. Enter the name exactly how you want it to appear and then confirm by pressing Enter or clicking the Rename button. Instantly, your updated name will be visible to everyone in the meeting. Now, here are a few important things to keep in mind. First, changing your name in this way only affects the current meeting. It does not permanently change your Zoom account, so you can adjust it freely for different meetings without worrying. Second, in some meetings, the host may disable the ability for participants to rename themselves. If you don't see the rename option, that's likely the reason. In that case, you may need to ask the host to allow it or update your name for you. And finally, always try to set your name correctly before joining whenever possible. It helps you look more professional and avoids confusion once the meeting starts. And that's it. You can change your Zoom name before joining by editing it on the Join screen or after joining by using the Participants panel and the Rename option. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more simple Zoom tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.